Still stuck after watching 10 tutorials? Don't worry, it's not just you. These 5 coding mistakes are silently killing your progress. But today, that changed. Mistake 1. Tutorial hair. Tutorial hair is lit and it's dangerous. You watch, you nod, you move on, but you build nothing. Zero retention. Here's your exit. After every tutorial, build something small. A button, a calculator, anything. Tutorials are your map, but the projects, that's the journey. Mistake 2. Fear of terminal. The terminal. Intimidating, right? Looks like Matrix. But it's your secret weapon. Learning basics. CD, errors, make further. It's not just tech. It's power. Like mastering shortcuts in a game. Makes you everything fast, cleaner, cooler. Mistake 3. Copy paste without thinking. Copying code is fine, but pasting without thinking, that's a trap. Next time, pause, ask it, what's happening here? Write comments like you are teaching your future self. Because one day, you will come back and thank you. Mistake 4. No version control. You broke your code, your progress gone. Here's your time machine. Git. Start small, innate, commit, push. Break things with confidence. Git's got your back. Every coder uses, so should you. Mistake 5. Chasing two-man language. JavaScript, Python, Rust, C++. It's like being in a candy store with no bra. You test everything, but master nothing. Pick one, go deep, this study project, only then explore. Mastering comes from focus, not chaos. Avoid these 5 mistakes and they will grow faster than 90% of beginners. It's not talent, it's strategy. If this helped, smile that right, hit subscribe and drop a comment. What's the one mistakes you made? Let's grow together.